Welcome to SalesMind AI. We're excited to have you on board. In this quick video, I will show you quick tips to get you on board properly. First, create your account using the same email you've used to make your purchase. This keeps everything connected and seamless. Now, let's set up your agent. Your agent represents your company when reaching out and contacting potential customers and partners. Navigate to the Agent tab. Your LinkedIn profile should be already connected. Simply click on the row to open the settings. Click on it and you will be able to access the sender information, where you can input any relevant information about this sender to make the AI mimic you perfectly. Back in the main agent page, you will be able to view and edit sender information, members, settings, integration, and persona. When you click into the integration tab, you will be able to view the settings which allow you to set up your CRM if you have one. In the persona tab, you can create up to 10 persona to use as a reference of potential clients when you set up a campaign. It's ideal to create at least 3 persona to broaden the scale. Input all the information that define this persona. You can also leave some blank if there is no specific value needed. Now it's time to build your campaign. First step, creating a campaign with selecting the sender from all the LinkedIn accounts connected. Then select the experience for it. Then input the prospecting settings for your campaign. Fill the website URL. The AI will read what's behind this link to understand the offer. And in the landing page URL, this is where the AI will send the prospect when we will define that they are warm enough. Below, you will be able to view the advanced settings. Here you can customize the sender inactive days, time zone settings, interaction time settings as well, and the blacklist. This will guide you through the page that allow you to select how you would like to add the list in your campaign. Let's start with the AI lead finder. This is the recommended method. You will be able to choose a personal template or not, and finish to fill up the information asked to assist our AI to find the best lead for you. Now, introducing the other method. We are compatible with LinkedIn Sales Navigator and the free version of LinkedIn. You simply need to perform a search, copy the link, and paste it in SalesMind. The fourth option is to import the followers of a company. It can be your own page on LinkedIn. We will get the followers out of that. And it can be the page of your competitor as well. You simply need to copy the link of their page, paste it in SalesMind. And we have other method where we identify intent. Eventually, people who like a post, comment a post, follow someone, or participate to an event. Last but not least, Google Sheet. You simply need to paste the link of a Google Sheet, make sure that it's available for everyone that have the link, and inside we simply need the profile URL of the people. Now, heading on the sequence page, you will be asked which campaign fits the best for your sales approach. Once you've chosen your template, you will now be able to adjust how you can engage your prospects. Firstly, adjust how you would like to write your messages. You can fine-tune the sequence instructions that follow up with prospect until they reply. If they reply, the sequence gets stopped. You need to start with your connection message. The options range from AI, human, or empty. We recommend to start with an empty connection request, that is a soft invitation for the prospect to visit your profile. Then, if you open the touchpoint 2, you can see the instruction given by the template. This is where you prompt your AI to craft hyper-personalized and unique message for all your prospects. The AI follows the instruction, the goal, the approach, the source to use, the do, the don't, the word to use, the word not to use, and the CTA. Each touchpoint have their own instruction. Once you've completed this page, you will be redirected to the Agent tab, which allows you to assign which agent will have access to the campaign. At this stage, if you have only one sender and no other team member, you can just hit Save. At this stage, you can review everything you've set up before, confirming, and that's it with the Create a Campaign. When you click on a campaign, you can access the dashboard, the lead, the activities, the sequence, the solution, the settings, and LinkedIn. Under Solution, this is what the AI auto-generated from the website URL you provided at step 2. And we will give you the freedom to adjust the information for fine-tuning the messages written by AI. Under LinkedIn, you will be provided AI-generated recommendations so your profile can be more attractive to prospect and have a strong customer-centric approach. We recommend starting with 3 to 5 active campaigns so you can reach a wider scale of prospects. Now, why 3 to 5 active campaigns? To learn. There is no magic recipe, but test and learn from results. We usually A/B test 3 different things. The first 3 campaigns used to test service and offer or audience. It can be different persona, different market, different buying roles, and so on, or different value proposition for the same service and the same audience. Once the campaign has started, it usually takes 1 or 2 days before people start engaging back, and once that happens, head over to your inbox to view all the messages that indicate possible leads. Use filter to organize replies, manage conversation efficiently, and view everything for easy navigation. To quickly see all the leads that need a reply from you, click on the statue, Your Turn to Reply. When it's your turn to send a message, you can rely on the AI reply suggestion to speed up the process of appointment setting. And that's it. You've got now the foundation to get started, and you have everything in place to get the most out of SalesMind. If you need to reach us out anytime, go on the left menu. You have the chat assistants where you can chat in live with us, or you can schedule a meeting with your account manager. Thank you.